Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon or a code on Etsy in 2026. Do you want to reward your loyal customers with a coupon code on Etsy? Here's exactly how to set it, so let's follow these few simple steps. Before we start, in order to join the Etsy platform, you're just going to go to your web browser or your mobile device. Now for the first one, you're just going to type in Etsy in the search bar, and once you see the website, you're going to enter it and make sure you sign in with your account. Once you sign in with your account, you're going to make sure to click on your account icon, and you're going to click on an option that says become the seller. Once you click on that option to become the seller, you're going to go and click on shop manager, this icon right here, and you're going to set up your shop. You're going to fill in the information about your shop preferences, your shop's name, your payment method, etc. You can alternatively create an account on the mobile app, Etsy mobile app that you can find on the Play Store and App Store, depending on which device you're using. Now, once you finish setting up your shop, you're going to open the shop manager. As I said, you're going to click on the shop icon. Then the second thing is to go to marketing. You're going to go to the marketing tab and select sales and discounts. Once you click on sales and discounts, you're going to choose to create a promo code. After that, you're going to create a new special offer. Then you're going to choose the campaign type. You can choose abandoned carts offer, thank you coupon, targeted offer, or manual promo code. Now, once you select the option you like for your discount, you're going to choose which individual listings will be eligible for this promo code or select add all active listings. Then you're going to review the details for your promo code and select confirm and create the code. You can also set the discount details. You can choose the percentage. As you can see, the percentages off, fixed amount off, or free standard shipping. Then you're going to customize and activate. You're going to name your coupon, set the duration, and review and confirm it. And in the end, use thank you coupons to encourage repeat purchases. And this increases customer lifetime value. And that's it. That's how you create a coupon code on Etsy in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.